Alright, good morning everybody, it's AJ, and it's Stock Lock Sunday. I have this guard 83440, and I did a little bit of research on it. It's not your dollar store garbage either. And if I am right, it has mushroom pins in it. We're going to see if I can get it open. I looked it up. It said it has mushroom pins. Which may explain why it's a little more difficult to pick than some others. No, I just overset that one. I felt that. Oh, and there it goes. All right, that's what I got for you today. Just by the way, this lock, I don't have a key for this lock, so there's that. All right, that's Stock Lock Sunday. Everybody stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful, and have a great one.